President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee K. Meghacnadra has slammed the state government, asserting that their governance has faltered significantly and called the public for unity for a reformed Manipur. The statement was made during the felicitation ceremony honoring of former Minister Samuel Jindai, ex-BJP candidate of Uripur constituency, Dr. N. Dujamani, and social worker of Tamenglong Ward number 9, TP Dining, for joining Indian National Congress held at Congress Bhavan, Beti Road. Speaking at the event, he likened the government to a soulless body, implying its lack of vitality or empathy in addressing certain issues. He further criticized both the state and the central governments for their apparent lack of concern in addressing pressing issues, including the ongoing turmoil and natural disasters that have left a trail of destruction. CLP leader Okram Ibobi, CWC member Gaikangam, MLA K. Ranjit, MLA TH Lokeshwar, ex-MLA P. Sarat, ex-Minister TH Ratan Kumar, and members of MPCC attended the event.
Maruida Manipur da Laiga Sina, Tawaya Udra Bahjangi, Bankapueraba, Government Nasinangasi, Hiram Kaya, Daikuisi, Ling Bawat Payadre, Parda Singasi, Nena Tadaba Punsi Marina Maiko Hingi, Hiram Kudimakta. Thabak Pangdabagi, Poche Maman Hingatagi, Adagi, natural calamity, disasters, Mayam Sing Tui, Mayam Sarkars, the diet, the credit of people, Tui, Sarkars, and stable the Pakate, Maming Degi Oina, be Amada Lupa, the Singama Bogo, the Piki, Samakai Togangasi, Landamasigi Padasina, Awas, I think Nangi, Lebak Sidairan Tauri, Sahida Mahin Cre, Punomaxe, Home Minister, the Etest of Operating Commander of Manipur said, Zalaidna Dumlay Vase, Kogulivasin. Santi Wari Porona Buonate, Honorable Prime Minister Ngasibokta silent Uduna Lay, Manipur Wapamata Putopidi, Democracy as a festival like election the Sidaba, Manipur Pazagi, Koiba, Wapama Lampida Vase, Lamdamasita Lady Pazai, Koipunomoxe, and the labor. Sausi, don't Kandadona Tawase, Masi Aikoi Buna Kandapum, Toy, Aikoisi, collective decision Ama, Low to Tangai for the Badula, a Hibasimadi, Hibida Hiban Batoy.